I was snooping around the 5th laboratory when I found this, a Union Arena pack of Fullmetal Alchemist. Welcome back, my friends, to Fullmetal Friday. This is a special Saturday edition because I fell a little bit behind this week while trying to stay on top of my alchemy studies. One of the things I really like about Union Arena is that it's very easy to collect compared to Pokemon and Magic the Gathering. The set sizes are large enough to feel rewarding, but not so large they're overwhelming. Pull rates are pretty solid, with roughly 1 action point, 1 alternate art, and 5 or 6 super rares per booster box. And for a lot of the sets, the chase singles are pretty affordable in the secondary market.
Nice!
And as always, you can buy singles, sealed, and more from me at getdkc.com.